lot of heavy cream and need to know how to make your own? Take a look at these tips. 1. Make heavy cream from milk and butter, using a ratio of 1 part unsalted butter to 3 parts whole milk. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat, then add the milk and stir to combine. Increase the heat to medium-low and simmer the mixture for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it has thickened and reduced slightly. Remove the pan from heat and once cooled, blend the mixture on high speed for around 30 seconds until it becomes thick and creamy. 2. Use milk and cornstarch to create a heavy cream substitute. In a saucepan, whisk together 1 cup of whole milk and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch over medium heat, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens and starts to bubble, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the pan from heat, and after the mixture has cooled, blend it on high speed for about a minute until it resembles heavy cream. 3. For a dairy-free option, refrigerate a can of full-fat coconut milk overnight. Then, carefully scoop the thick, solid layer of cream that has risen to the top of the can into a mixing bowl. Do not add any of the extra liquid. Add a tablespoon or 2 of sweetener to taste, and beat with an electric mixer until it becomes thick and fluffy like heavy cream.